A slow week is coming to an end, and we open a window to what next week has in store for the markets. On the monetary front, a number of policymakers from various central banks are scheduled to make statements and could sway the markets. As for financial releases, after a quiet Monday on Tuesday, we note the release of Japan's corporate goods prices for January, UK's employment data for December, Switzerland's January CPI rates, German self-indicators for February, and highlight the release of the US CPI rates for January. On Wednesday, we get UK CPI rates for January and Eurozone's revised GDP rate for Q4. On Thursday, we start with Japan's GDP rates for Q4, Australia's January employment data, UK's preliminary GDP rate for Q4, the Czech Republic CPI rates for January, Canada's house starts for the same month, and manufacturing sales for December. And from the US, we get the weekly initial jobless claims figure, the Philly Fed Business Index for February, as well as January's retail sales and industrial production growth rates. On Friday, we get UK's retail sales growth rate for January, the US PPI rates for the same month, and finally the preliminary US University of Michigan consumer sentiment for February. We hope that you found this report useful, and for more of us here at Iron FX, best wishes for solid trading.